We are now recording. Good morning. This is a time and place for public hearings regarding the sale of tobacco products to underage individuals in violation of Fargo Municipal Code Chapter 35. These are non-criminal proceedings in which the city has a burden to prove violation by a preponderance of the evidence. This is a public hearing, meaning that anyone who wishes to speak at this hearing may do so. And at the conclusion of the hearing, I will make oral finding today. And after that, the court will issue written findings, fact, conclusions of law, and an order regarding the results of today's hearing. Of course, any order is appealable as allowed by law under Chapter 2834 of the North Dakota Century Code. Okay, so I guess we're calling Casey's first because they're here. If you'd come up and have a seat. And you are?
I'm Celeste. I'm the store manager at 4301 13th Avenue, Casey's.
4301?
Yep,
And you are the store manager?
that is correct, yes.
And I'm sorry, but I missed your name.
My name is Celeste.
Celest?
Yep, Celest.
And last name?
Beston, B for boy, Eston.
Okay, Ms. Beston. For the city?
Your Honor, the alleged offense occurred on I should have had this ready to go. One moment, Your Honor.
Okay. It's a Casey store, but when it has, does it have a specific number to it for each store?
Store number 3366 or store number 11.
3366?
So, Judge, I can provide you with the following information. At the address of 4301 13th Avenue South, an individual under the age of 18 entered the store, walked in, asked to purchase Cinnamon Zin. ID was not requested. The individual was given an item and receipt and then left. This did occur in the city of Fargo, state of North Dakota, at approximately 6:40 p.m.
On what date?
The date of purchase or attempt is not listed on the report.
I think it was like June 26th or 28th.
The other offenses occurred on June 25th, 2024, so that would be consistent with the offense date of this one.
Okay. And for the store, Ms. Beston, do you admit or deny the allegations?
I admit.
And you're licensed in the state of North Dakota to supply tobacco products?
Yes.
And by the city of Fargo?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to find
Judge, just before you make that finding, I just do want to make clear that the representative was provided notice at least 15 days prior to today's hearing, as evidenced by her presence, but also by certified mailing that was dated received by July 5th, 2024.
And you did receive that notice.
So, yep.
Okay, I'm going to find that you violated the ordinance, and as the ordinance states, that's a $500 fine, and you're gonna be on a year probation, so make sure that everybody cards everybody that comes in to buy.
Okay.
Okay? And I will issue written notice of findings and conclusions, and those will be sent to the store.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Okay, thank you for coming. Have a nice day.
Yes, you as well. Thank you.
And for the others that did not appear, I assume all the facts are exactly the same. And
They're all going to be similar, but I think we do have to procedurally go through each one. I'll give you a factual basis, confirmation that notice was provided 15 days in advance, and yes, they're all first offenses.
and who are we going to call next?
Let's do 301 10th Street North, Casey's General Store.
(301) First Avenue North,
301 10th Street North.
10th Street. Okay,
For factual basis for the city, Your Honor, on June 25th, 2024, the Fargo Police Department with an individual under the age of 21 went to the location of Casey's located at 301 10th Street North, Fargo, North Dakota. The individual under the age of 21 entered the store where a cashier was working. The individual under 21 asked for a vape, which the clerk provided. At no point did the clerk ask for an ID. This is a first offense. Notice was provided, one of which was by certified mailing, a receipt of which is dated July 5th, 2024.
and one more time, is anybody here for Casey's General Store, 301 10th Street North? See no one.
And Your Honor, could you also give the public an opportunity to comment, although there's no one here?
For the record, is there anyone here from the public that wants to say anything? Hearing no one, we'll do the same thing next.
Next, Your Honor, let's do Casey's General Store, located at 204 42nd Street South, Fargo, North Dakota.
Anybody here from Casey's General Store, 204 42nd Street South? Hearing no one, will the city proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. On June 25th, 2024, in the city of Fargo, state of North Dakota, the police, with an individual under the age of 21, conducted a compliance check for tobacco. The individual under the age of 21 walked in and asked for 2 spearmint Zins. The person under the age of 21 was provided them. No ID was asked for. The individual under the age of 21 purchased them and got a receipt, then left. This is a first offense. City is requesting a $500 administrative fee. Notice was provided to Casey's General Store, one of which was by certified mailing, signed on July 6, 2024.
Again, anybody here from Casey's General Store, 204 42nd Street South? Hearing no one, is anyone from the public want to make any comments or have anything to say regarding the sale on June 25th? Okay, I will find a violation of the ordinance. Next.
Next, Your Honor, city request to call 7 Days Grocery LLC.
7 Days Grocery, what?
Yes, 7 Days Grocery LLC,
Okay,
located at 204 42nd Street South. Factual basis for the city, Your Honor. On June 25th, 2024, City of Fargo Police Department conducted a compliance check on 7 Days Grocery located at 240 42nd Street South, Fargo, North Dakota. The individual under the age of 21 walked in, asked for a pack of Marlboro Reds. No ID was asked for. The individual under the age of 21 was sold the item, got a receipt, then left. This is a first offense. City is requesting a $500 administrative fine. Notice was provided to the store, specifically a certified mailing, which was signed for on July 5th, 2024.
and anyone from 7 Days Grocery want to discuss the violation of allegations? Hearing no one, is anybody from the public want to make a comment or statement regarding the sale? Hearing no one, we will find that this 7 Days Grocery violated the statute, and we will do the conclusions and forward those by mail.
Last but not least is Love's Travel Store, located at 3220 39th Street South, Fargo, North Dakota.
Did you say 39th?
Yes, 39th Street South.
Okay.
Factual basis for the city, Your Honor. On June 25th, 2024, City of Fargo Police Department conducted a compliance tobacco check on the business of Love's, located at 3220 39th Street South, Fargo, North Dakota, a business that is licensed to sell tobacco products in the city of Fargo. The individual under the age of 21 approached the counter, asked for a pack of cigarettes. The individual under the age of 21 was provided those cigarettes and then left the store. This is a first offense for this business in the last year. City recommends a $500 administrative fine. Notice was provided to the business at least 15 days in advance, evidenced by a certified mailing, date of receipt, July 10th, 2024. Thank you.
Anybody from Love's Travel Store want to make any statement? Anybody from the public want to make any statement? Hearing none, I will issue findings fact of a violation of the ordinance. That concludes our tobacco compliance hearings of today. Is that correct?
I don't think there's anything else that is needed from the city or the health department, so yes.
Okay, thank you for your appearance.
Thank you, Judge.